Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, today's video is going to be a review, and it is the Nuban. I'm going to review their concealer, the In My Skin liquid concealer. I ordered for three shades, 43, 46 and 47. Then there are 5-in-1 lashes. Then I ordered for 3 beauty blenders, the Independence and Christmas edition. And guess what? They gifted me their cleansing facial wipe. Looks like this. So beautiful. Before we jump into the video, I would like you guys to please subscribe to my channel. I hope you do so before the end of this video. And beauty, the first one that I'm going to swatch is the 46. This is how it looks. This is the 43. It should be lighter. And it has yellow, I think yellow undertone. And let's see the 47. This is dark. So I can contour with 47. 47 is way darker. So this has like a warm undertone. The 46 has a warm undertone. Then 43 has the yellow undertone. Yep. Then 47 has a neutral undertone, I guess. So it's creamy, really creamy. The consistency is very good. I am not sure I'm going to build it. It's way thick. It's really thick. So let's see how it looks on my face. I am going to do my foundation and my eyebrow off camera, and I shall be right back. So guys, I did my foundation off camera just to save time. So the foundation I used is the Maybelline Superstay in the shade Honey. That's 320 Honey. Then I added a little bit of 355 Coconut. So the primer I used is the Prime Matte by yangabeauty. Prime Matte by yangabeauty. That's the primer I use. So we are going to highlight. So let's see this 46. This foundation dry matte. So this 46, let's see it on my face. It's dark, so I am not going to highlight with the 46. I'm going to highlight with the 43. 46 is dark. I can't use it to highlight. As you can see, you can't even see where I applied it on. So I'm going to highlight with the 43. Slightly because it's thick. Full coverage. Boom. Then I'm going to blend this out before I highlight my chin. on my forehead. So I'm using their beauty blender as well. Okay, another thing about the concealer is very easy to blend. This concealer dries matte. So what I did here is apply under my eye area, then my bridge of my nose. So I blend that area out first before I apply on the other areas I want to highlight. Okay, so now this concealer, I am not going to advise you to build it up because it's a full coverage and it's very blends so seamlessly. Okay, lighting. So I'm going to contour with my 47. Let's see. So I'm contouring with a 47. I'm taking a flat brush. This brush is from Sit Pretty. Then blend this out first before I use my beauty blender. Make sure you blend very fast. So I am going to set my face with the Revolution Luxury Powder in Banana. The same beauty blender. Then I press in. A reverse contour. You just put it underneath where I contoured, just like so. Underneath where I contoured, just like so. Dark powder, just buff that out. Then I contour. I set the contour. So that is it for highlight and contour. I am going to do my brows off camera and I shall be back. So I am back. I quickly did my no eyeshadow on my eyes. I just did I just used a green liner from Zaron, then a gel liner from Revlon. So I added a little bit of blush on my cheekbone, as you can see. Just being extra. So now on, no false lashes on. So I'm thinking of fixing, but I feel there's no point because I don't feel like. So I am going to use the Glow by Nuban Beauty. But before then, this is how it looks. The Glow by Nuban Beauty. So before then, I spray my face. I'm going to spray my face using the Zaron finishing spray. Perfect finish. Like so. Before I apply I like spraying the brush from afar and I apply it on my cheekbone. So there's like this. Beautiful. Same thing on the other side. Then use a smaller brush to apply bronzer underneath my brow. Yeah, so we're done glowing. Then to finish up my look, I'm going to do some glossy lip. It's looking so amazing. My lip. I'm going to use Zaron lip stain in wipp'd. Then Taos gloss creme. Apply the gloss from Taos. For my lashes, I'm good like this. I am going to come back in a few hours then to let you know how the concealer works. There. So guys, this is me after 5 hours and my face is not doing bad at all. It is not a bad idea you including the in my skin concealer in your concealer bag, because what I'm seeing here after 5 hours, I think I love it because the concealer did not crease and it's matte. Let me come closer so you see. The only area we have oil here is my nose area. As you can see, that's the only place I have oil on. The rest of my face is matte and there's no much creasing underneath my eyes, as you can see. So I would advise you to include this in your concealer bag. And what I used, the shade I used to highlight is the 43, and I used 47 to contour. The 46 was dark for me to highlight, so I think I'll try the 42. I think that will be way lighter. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.